Hey guys, it's Eric here at Farpoint Restorations and Repairs. Today, I'm going to show you I've been accessorizing the minivan here. We're using it for camping a lot more, and I wanted to be able to bring my little e-motorcycle thing here along with me. So I picked up this Vevor motorcycle ramp, and I'm just going to go ahead, move the camera slightly, and do a quick install video on this thing. You know, they make bike racks, obviously, but this thing weighs a little bit more than your average bike. I mean, this tips in at, I think it's about 85 pounds, somewhere around there. And we're hoping to get a second one. So I opted to get something a little heavier duty, if that makes sense. Anyway, let's take a look at this thing and we'll see if we can get it installed real quick. All right, check it out. So it was way easier to assemble. Pretty much here's how I did this. This piece and this piece I bolted together on the main frame, and then I installed it. They gave me a nice working platform, got the rest of it in there in no time at all. I'd say 20 minutes maybe with hand tools alone. Nice setup, very heavy, very durable looking. And you can see Sienna's kind of a big girl, but it sticks out just a little bit. I imagine if it was an SUV or a full-size truck, probably wouldn't stick out at all. One thing I want to point out here, I'm gonna switch hands. If you'll see here, right now, you can wobble that, right? Well, first of all, I don't have the pin in, but secondly, that's what this piece here is for. It's a brace that's called an anti-wobble or anti-tilt. And so once you get your motorcycle up on there, once you've got, well, first pin it, then when your bike on there, strap everything down, then you tighten that up, and it holds the bottom of your receiver hitch. So it just kind of holds it, keeps it so it won't flop around. I really like that. Something I hadn't even really considered, honestly. Okay, so to get it installed, obviously, tons of straps. Let's see here, 1, 2, 3, 4 straps, and it looks like another tie down. You know, the way this thing is held into place, we've got this pin here, and that comes out. So what it wants you to do is ride your bike up until you gotta remove this pin, and then you ride your bike up on it, push your bike up on there. Your wheel's gonna kind of fall down in this hole, and you're gonna put that through so that it's through your wheel. That was actually a really cool idea. This piece here, you can see right here, and there's another one over there. Those are just thumb screws. You unscrew those, and that's your ramp to get this on here. I thought the whole thing would tilt, but now this is a ramp to allow you to ride that thing up on there. So I'm going to set it up on the tripod. I'm going to do just that. We'll get it set up, and that will wrap up this video of the Vevor motorcycle carrier. Let's do it. Now, something I'm noticing with mine, and I'm going to take this off the tripod again. So because this is such a short wheelbase being an e-bike, it's actually gone past the last rung there. We don't want that. So what I will do is I think I'm going to move that sliding pin to this location here, and that'll offset it, push it back so it's over that. Plenty of room to strap everything down, but there you go with the look of it. Clearly it fits it nicely. And lots of strap hide down places all over the place. You can use the bolts, you can use the hooks, you can use, they gave you plenty of spaces there. There's also a place to mount your license plate farther out if you need to. Some states blocking that, and of course this bike will. That's gonna be an issue, so I'll have to relocate that. Anyway, that'll do it for today, my friends. Hope you enjoyed it. It's pretty cool. I hope to use this for, you know, camping vacations, stuff like that. I think it'll be a cool way to enjoy bringing electric bikes on our trips, and it doesn't interfere, take the bike off, doesn't interfere with the opening and closing of the rear hatch at all. So that's pretty cool. All right, till next time, my friends, take care.